How to trim a video on InShot app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to trim a video easily and fast. First thing, go to InShot. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go down and click on video down here. After you click on video, now you can choose a new video or choose from your drafts. Like me, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is swipe here until you find pre-cut here. Click on pre-cut, and now you will find the trim option. Click on it and you will be able to trim your video easily. After you finish, click save right here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.